rate limiter in 60 seconds. So rate limiter controls how many requests your client can make within a specific time frame. Okay, let's say you have your client, you have your API gateway where your rate limiter is present, and then you have your different servers at the backend. Now, whenever a new request comes to the API gateway, right, rate limiter will check the user ID or IP address or API key, and based on any of these one value, right, it will decide whether this request should be allowed or not. If the request is allowed, it will forward it to the server, else it will return 400, 429 too many requests. Now for rate limiting rules, right, we will be using token bucket algorithm. Just imagine that for every user, right, you have a bucket which has some tokens. Now this bucket is refilled every particular amount of time. So let's say at fixed interval, let's say your bucket is getting filled at 10 tokens per second. So every 1 second, your bucket gets filled with 10 tokens, and this bucket can have maximum of 10 tokens. Okay, so it cannot have more than 10 tokens any point of time. Now whenever a new request comes of a particular user, right, you will get that bucket of the user from some cache. We will discuss about it later. So, and once you have taken the token, you will see whether token is available. If the token is available, then this request is forwarded to the backend, means it can be allowed. Otherwise, if token is not available, then this request will get rejected. So just now this bucket for every user is stored in a cache. You can use Redis for that, okay, for storing this bucket for every user.